Why are you rushing? Where are you going? Don't be in a rush. Whatever that you started, don't be in a rush. Nobody knows where that thing is going to be in the next 5 minutes. Nobody knows where that thing is going to be in the next 5 years. So don't rush things. Don't rush even yourself. Don't rush your healing process. Don't rush anything in your life. Do not rush. Where are you going? Why are you rushing? You started a nice company, a nice business. You're rushing it. And when you see it in your mind, it's something big. Why are you rushing something like that? That is something that has value. Something that has a value need to be built from the ground. You can't rush something like that.